Chord, and we would love to learn a little bit more about Chord if you can introduce us.
I would be happy to do that, so welcome everybody. Chord is a UK-based manufacturer. We specialize in portable product, which would be appropriate for CanJam 23 in New York City. And the last portable product that we brought out was the Mojo 2. That was about a year and a quarter ago. Quite a departure from, or a build on from Mojo 1. And we have a series of tabletop devices, portable devices here, all the way up to our Dave, which is our very best DAC. And then we do home-based preamps and power amps and that sort of product.
So what is your most, I guess, popular? Is it the one that's in your hand right now?
By the numbers that we sell, it is the one that I have in my hand right now, the Mojo 2. That has really just taken the portable market by storm.
Yeah. Is this the newest product that you guys have out right now?
It is. And it's an interesting little tidbits on this. The difference between the Mojo, original Mojo, and the Mojo 2,
right.
This is now for power, it has tabletop mode. In the past, this was charge it up at night, undo it in the morning, grab your headphones, go out and have your life on the road, drain it down, bring it home, plug it back in. What we did not realize and didn't expect is that people love the sound of Rob Watts's DACs so much that they were taking what was intended to be a purely portable device and they were using it as their home DAC. Now we have a much better battery life, 9 hours, a much bigger, stronger, robust battery, and a triple charge. So this can be used as your primary home DAC for $775. And even if you didn't have any portability involved in this product, it's a tremendous value just in the realm of high-performance DACs.
Jack and Empire, and I just wanted to highlight their latest in technology.
Our latest, we call it Chord 8. It's 8 drivers, but it utilizes 4 different types of driver technologies. So the foam conduction, the electrostatic, dynamic drivers, and balance temperatures. So a little bit of everything that makes us who we are. Yep.
Amazing. And where do you guys plan on evolving, I guess, as you guys are branching deeper into audiophile?
We're just going to continue, pursuing different driver technologies and seeing how far we can push.
How many drivers, how many
drivers, how many different types. And just kind of keep going that direction. So,
here with Ben from Periodic Audio. Some really, really intricate, fun stuff that we're about to get into.
This is the Scandium. And so Scandium has an optical input, an analog input, and a pass-through. So it doesn't matter how old your system is, you can stick it in line, it's not going to affect the signal at all, and you're going to be able to broadcast whatever that is. Now, most of the use cases are going to be that you're listening to, say a movie or a television show. But actually, my oldest daughter, shout out to Georgia, she figured out a way that you plug in here from your TV, a digital input, and then she has a record player with a phono pre built in, and she actually puts it into the analog. So when she's watching TV, she's here and she's streaming from source 1 to her headphones. She switches over to auxiliary when her buddies come over, and now she's streaming the record she's playing on her main system to a Bluetooth speaker on her patio. So you can actually do some really fun tricks with this.
Astell Kern. I'm also here with Jason, who works with the company. He's going to be able to introduce us to what they specialize in and their latest technology, okay?
So Astell Kern actually was founded by iRiver, and iRiver has been making portable media players since the 90s, back before the iPod actually was released. Our prime products are portable players, but we've branched out since then. We do now a number of USB DACs to get high-res quality sound from your phone or a tablet or your computer. And then we do IEM collaborations with some of the more popular earbud manufacturers. Currently have a new flagship IEM with Empire ears called the Odyssey. We actually have 3 brand new products that we're showing here, which are over
let's talk
here.
about it.
So we have the new HC3, which is a USB-C DAC. Works with an Android phone, or also it has a iPhone adapter, so you can use it with a Lightning port. The new PA10, which is a new headphone amplifier. Brand new, also, to use some of your full-size headphones with like your iPhone or your Android phone. And then the CA1000T is our new carryable desktop headphone amplifier. Yes. So it actually has 2 Korg new tube amplifiers in there. It has a digital op amp in there, and then you can choose between tube mode, digital amp mode, or a combination of the two. You can kind of mix and match, like some more tube, some digital.
Is that to play with like the quality of the audio, depending on what type of audio?
So it gives you a different sound signature, if you're using the tube versus the digital, or even like the hybrid setting of a mixture. So depending on the genre of music that you're listening to, and even by track on the same album, you could really fine-tune your sound.
Here with Roy. He is the managing director of VANA.
Yes.
And he's going to be telling us a little bit about their newest product, but also their top selling product as well.
So Ferrum makes, currently we offer 3 products. The Hypsos, which is a power supply that can be worked with anything that takes an outboard power supply that can produce between 5 and 30 volts. In this case, we're showing it hooked up to the Urzo, which is Ferrum's combination DAC headphone amp. A relatively innovative piece that includes the Circe front end, where Ferrum has been able to accomplish all of the input and management tasks running software on an ARM chip. The other product that we're showing here today is the OR headphone amp, renowned with a tremendous number of reviews around the world. A very high-performing device. $19.95 retail, up to 8 watts of output, so you can drive some of the most difficult headphones like hi-fi Mensa spheres easily to very high performance. Next month, we will have a new product, the first all-out D-to-A converter from Ferrum.
And that's it right there, right? Like right
The
behind you?
Bondler, which is the product that you see in the middle, that will come with a touch screen on the front of it.
Wow.
So you'll be able to configure it from the touchscreen on the front. It will also have a number of customized filters, which Ferrum has incorporated from HQ Player. The Bondler has some unusual attributes. It has an HDMI input, which is not common in an outboard D-to-A converter, and that's because many devices only have HDMI outputs. When you look at them, there's no audio outputs anymore. So Ferrum decided to spend the time and the energy, and since they have Circe, which uses this ARM processor, they could write the code. So the great thing about it is, say you have a smaller system and you have a television and you want to do high quality audio. Televisions, at least one of the HDMI jacks will say HDMI ARC, which is audio return channel. So if you hook up an HDMI cable from your TV into the HDMI input on Bondler, any of your video sources that are hooked up to television, you can listen to that audio through the very high quality D-to-A converter in the Bondler.
Everybody, so I am here with Jason, the son of one of the founders of Abyss, and I love to, share with you guys, this is a family business. We have a few here at CanJam this year. So you guys have been around for like 15 years now. What got you guys started making headphones? What inspired you?
It was just interest, really. I was interested in headphones, and it was like, I started out with a few low-cost headphones, and I'm like, I'd like to try to make something to get out to. So we did, and it wasn't very good, right? So, but over time, we tried at it, got to where we are today.
So what is it about y'all's headphones that you guys, really feel like you're doing differently? Especially with, you had some issues with headphones you're already using. What decided you needed to add specs to?
Well, I mean, particularly like with 1266, it's not like any other headphone. So our goal was pretty much to make a headphone that doesn't sound like a headphone. And that's essentially why it looks as weird as it does, because otherwise it'd be like a
Can you hold it up for us and just show how weird it looks? And just kind of walk us through it,
Yeah, I mean, we tried to make it as open as possible, and we wanted it to not clamp like a conventional headphone, so that's why I had to have this toe and expanding mechanism. So it's kind of no way around making it look this way because of our design goal.
And who is this for? Is this for your classic musician, your classic audiophile, your classic gamer? Who is this? Who's your audience?
Well, the 1266 is for essentially a classic audiophile that's used to 2-channel systems, and we wanted to put as much of that into a headphone as we possibly could. Whereas on a Diana, it was towards more conventional, normal gamers and
And so the newest piece being Diana.
Yeah, that's
right?
Diana TC.
Diana TC. Can you tell us also a little bit about where you guys are segueing into? Between the two.
Well, soon we're showing on the prototype first time of a closed back Diana. So it's So this is a prototype, but it's going to look similar to this. Colors and all that aren't confirmed yet, but we wanted, again, something flashy. This is an upcoming product that should be available in 4 or 5 months.
And why the closed back, since both of your first two are obviously open-eared?
A lot of people are asking for it, really. That's the reason,
Any specific reason that they're coming to you with?
It seems like a lot of people want to use them for work in an office, and it's noisier, so they want to,
That makes sense. We're going back into offices soon, so that's definitely something to keep in mind. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, no problem.